What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Gad Talks. Today we are going to be comparing two fitness tracker smartwatches that do have pretty different features and themes, as well as just the capabilities of each of these smartwatches. Now, both of these smartwatches are going to be in about the same price range. First of all, on the left, we have the FS08 Fitness Tracker GPS IP68 waterproof smartwatch, which goes for anywhere in between the mid 70s to even over $100, depending on the seller and the website that you choose to get this from. And on the right, we have the i6 Android Smartwatch, which also has fitness tracker functions and can also go from anywhere in the mid 80s to over $100, depending on where you choose to get this from. Before we begin today, if you guys have not yet already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as I'll be coming out with new weekly videos on the latest gadgets, electronics, and smartwatches. And if you guys do want to purchase these watches after this video, you guys can use my affiliate link in the my eBay affiliate link in the video description below, and I will earn a commission at no extra cost to you. Now let's begin. We're gonna go with the FS08 smartwatch first. This smartwatch is gonna be tailored to someone who intends to be very active and fit. So it's gonna be very fitness themed. With that said, I also do want to note that this watch does not connect to Wi-Fi. It does not, operate on its own, and with that said, it also does not come with a lot of Android functions that an Android watch in its price range comes with. So that is a drawback for this watch, but nevertheless, it's a very nice sport fitness tracker smartwatch, and it's supposedly kind of one of the top watches that come from China. So this is what it comes with. This is the home watch face. If you want to switch watch faces, what you want to do is you want to just press through the mid screen on your home watch face, but it really only comes with 3. And I guess this would probably be my most preferred one. If you want to see the different sport modes that it can track your fitness data under, you would want to swipe right from your home watch screen, and you're going to be presented with the sport modes that this tracker can actually track your activity under. Not too many, which is kind of disappointing. I mean, you're going to have your cycling, you're going to have your running and hiking, but for a price this high for a fitness tracker, you would expect to see more sport modes such as basketball, football, soccer, which I've seen in the other watches. The user face is also a little clumsy, because sometimes you can see it doesn't really as it did earlier, it doesn't really respond to your touches as sensitively as I expect. If you want to check out the fitness tracker functions, you can either swipe down or up from the watch face, and it's gonna give you your compass, stopwatch. This I'm not really sure what it is. Your heart rate monitor, which I have tried earlier, and it's pretty accurate for what it gave me. But with any heart rate monitor, if you want to get serious with it, you do want to cross-reference it with something that you already know before trusting it any further. You have your sleep monitor, which is pretty standard, and your steps, which is also very basic and standard. You also receive phone notifications from this on this watch, so that's nice. But like I said, this watch does not connect to the internet, and it's really only capable of the fitness functions that are shown just right now. Now let's check out the i6 3G Wi-Fi Android Smartwatch. This is a little bigger than the FS08, as you can tell. And it has a leather band. It is not waterproof at all, so you do want to be mindful of that. This is not your watch that you want to take to as many places as the FS08, but it does come with a pretty nice watch case and a pretty big watch case too. This is a very it's more of a masculine smartwatch. It's going to be able to connect to internet, and it comes with more watch faces than the FS08, as you can tell. And I think it also has the option of adding more watch faces if you get tired of these. Now what you want to do is, if you want to explore the functions, the Android functions of this watch, you will want to swipe right from the home watch screen, and you're going to be able to see some of the basic functions, along with other more advanced functions on this watch. You can connect to Wi-Fi from settings, and then connect, and then Wi-Fi. So it's already connected here. You can browse after you connect to Wi-Fi, your other basic functions, which also includes the health function, which is going to include your heart rate monitor, your distance counter, your calories counter, and some different sport modes. Actually just run and walk, but that's basically 2 of the 3 of the FS08 that we just saw. So it's pretty impressive, because this watch has an additional Android operating system that you can download more functions to. You have your Play Store there, so that's where you actually get your functions, additional functions, and your other basic functions, including a fitness function as well. So let's check what this is about. Outdoor walk, indoor run. So quite a bit of, actually quite a bit of sport modes that the FS08 did not offer. Now let's get back out of here. You have your remote camera, which I don't use. And just other basic functions such as anti-loss. This watch is compatible with both Apple and Android, so that's good news if you're an Apple user. It also has notifications from your phone. And your settings, if you want to swipe down from your home watch face, and your weather as well. So for what it's worth, which this one's going to be a little bit more expensive, I would definitely prefer the i6 over the FS08. It has just so many more functions, even though it's not waterproof, which is not going to be a problem to me, because it's not like I'm going to take it in the water or anything. It has almost just as many fitness functions as the FS08, and along with a lot more other functions that come with the Android operating system. So for a price that's very similar, right under $100, I'm going to definitely take the i6 over the FS08. Now, thank you guys very much for watching this short video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time.